We say hello! Oh my gosh, so I made that first video yesterday and I had no idea, but my box actually came today, so I am going to open it. I am so excited. So if you don't know, again, I ordered a pair of ears from Kitten's Playpen. It is a kitten play gear site that sells ears, tails, not just for kitten play, but pet play in general, and novelty items and stuff like that. So I decided to order a pair of ears from them because I was getting sick of just wearing these little headbands. So are you excited to see? I'm excited to see. As it said, very discreet. It just says KPP on here. They just put a bunch of stickers on the box. You don't even have to have the stickers on it when you order it. So nobody knows what's in here, so if I did order something devious, it wouldn't be announced to the public. So very well packaged. Excuse me. What do you think, Lana? You better not eat these. I'm not good at opening things. Ah! Come on. She's like, let me help you, Mom. This is very difficult. Or I'm just bad at opening boxes. Okay, pink tissue paper. Oh, they're so cute. Oh wow, they're really soft. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, let's move. So I got, wow, they're so sturdy. Oh my goodness. This is so much more than I was expecting. I got the realistic, oh, you can bend them, the realistic white kitten ears. So they are really fluffy and they have white floofs and a pink velvet inside. It's really soft and they bend, so you can bend them however you want, and they slide on the headband. So I've seen a bunch of people saying, like, if you're a sad kitty, they can do down here. Have to stop eating things. Oh, and they came with care instructions and a little candy. Oh, they're so pretty. I cannot wait to wear these. I'm pretty sure I'm going to fluff them and brush them out, but just so I can see. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and they come with little things on the bottom here, so my other pair didn't have anything like that, so it would give me headaches. No. Oh my gosh, that's so comfy. I cannot wait to wear these all the time. I'm gonna have to adjust these and put them properly. So not only did I order these kitten ears, but I made another order, ordering another pair of pink. She just stopped. So not only did I order the white realistic cat ears, but I also ordered the pink ones. And I ordered a pink tail, and I ordered some other things, so when those get here I'll do another video. But for right now, I'm just so happy, and I cannot wait to brush these out and make them so cute. And